This video shows the restoration of a Class 1 cavity using the EQUIA Forte HT. Apply cavity conditioner and leave for 10 seconds. Rinse thoroughly with water. Then blot dry but do not desiccate. Shake the capsule, then depress the plunger to activate it. Mix for 10 seconds. Immediately remove capsule and insert into a GC capsule applier. Click twice to prime the capsule, then syringe directly into the cavity prepared. Remove excess cement and contour to tooth anatomy, making sure there is no moisture contamination or desiccation. Apply EQUIA Forte coat and light cure for 20 seconds.